Hey, Stanton Tractor Incorporated here in Stanton, Virginia. We got a new machine on our lot. It's a 2014 Cat 257D with a little over 2,000 hours on it. It's got ASV track system on it. Joystick control. Looks like it's got a pretty standard bucket on it. It's a manual coupler. I'll walk around the machine for you. Tracks are I don't know, probably 60%, maybe a little more. It's got a Cat engine in it, open station obviously, good power, good speed, everything seems to be working well. 2-speed machine as well. Give us a call at area code 540-885-7261 if you're interested. Ask for Ryan or Winston. Thank you.